Unreal Engine 5 and Blender serve 3D developers but focus on different strengths. Unreal Engine 5 excels in real-time game engine capabilities, while Blender shines as an all-in-one 3D creation suite. The key difference lies in their approach to rendering and content creation. Unreal Engine 5 is a powerful real-time 3D creation platform primarily designed for game development, virtual production, and interactive experiences. Developed by Epic Games, it leverages cutting-edge features like nanite virtualized geometry and Lumen global illumination to deliver photorealistic visuals in real time. Users build scenes using a visual scripting system called Blueprints, or traditional C++ coding. Its strength lies in rendering high-fidelity environments and handling complex physics simulations efficiently. However, Unreal Engine 5 requires a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to game engines, and demands robust hardware to fully utilize its capabilities. Ideal users include game developers, virtual production artists, and real-time visualization professionals who need top-tier rendering performance and interactivity. Blender is a free, open-source 3D creation suite that supports modeling, sculpting, animation, rendering, compositing, and video editing. It offers a flexible, all-in-one environment for artists and developers to create detailed 3D assets and animations. Blender's built-in cycles and Eevee renderers provide both ray-traced and real-time rendering options. It supports extensive customization through Python scripting and a large library of community add-ons. While Blender excels in versatility and accessibility, its real-time interactivity and game engine features are less advanced compared to Unreal Engine 5. It is best suited for individual artists, animators, and small studios looking for a comprehensive, cost-effective tool for 3D modeling and animation without the need for real-time game engine functionalities. Unreal Engine 5 and Blender address different needs in 3D development. Unreal Engine 5 is unmatched for real-time rendering and creating interactive experiences, making it ideal for game development and virtual production. Blender offers a full creative pipeline for modeling, animation, and rendering, with the advantage of being free and highly customizable. Choosing Unreal means prioritizing visual fidelity and interactivity, but requires more technical expertise and hardware power. Blender suits creators focused on asset creation and animation workflows without real-time demands. For projects needing both detailed modeling and real-time application, many professionals use Blender for asset creation and Unreal Engine 5 for deployment, leveraging each tool's strengths effectively. Choose Unreal Engine 5 if your focus is on high-end real-time rendering, immersive game development, or interactive experiences requiring advanced visual fidelity. Opt for Blender if you need a versatile, cost-free 3D creation suite for modeling and animation without real-time engine demands. Combining Blender's asset creation with Unreal Engine 5's rendering can also offer the best of both worlds in 3D development.